Okay, so in official side, we spät ist es? 8:40. Sana?
Es ist 20 vor 9.
20 vor 9, richtig. Okay, Ashwin, official side 9:40.
For which one? Official for one. Eins.
Official 1.
Also, 9 Uhr 40. 40.
9:40 Uhr. Okay, einen Moment bitte. Ich soll hier etwas ändern. I should change something here. Yeah, here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What if, yeah, Sana, what if I make 9:40 p.m.?
Acha,
Actually, all the unofficial four timings of unofficial I did.
You only wrote for the unofficial?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no issues, no issues. Yeah, Ashwin, 9:40 p.m.
21 Uhr 40.
Very good. Yeah, Revati, bist du hier? 11:20, inoffiziell.
Es ist 20 nach 11.
20 nach 11. Okay, good. Now, Samriddhi, are you here?
Yes,
What is 6:29 in official 6:29 p.m.
it's 6
Guys, dear, I said p.m. 6:29 p.m.
p.m. Actually, I only wrote for the unofficial.
Yeah.
Okay, but imagine 6 is 24 hours is equal to what? 6 को हम 18 बोलते हैं 24 hours के according शाम में. So then you say 6. Yeah, Aktsen over.
Habaksin. For Habaksin.
No, it was official में Samriddhi, there is nothing halb for nak. These are always for unofficial. Official में it will be es ist 18 Uhr 29. 18 Uhr 29. Don't mix both of it, right? When it comes to official, we just need to remember that it is an official timing and we need to follow the 24 hours format, which means after 12 o'clock, we have to say 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. And nak, 4, half, these are the terms we only and only use in the unofficial. So don't mix. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so Sana, get back. Let's get back to you. 9:28.
Es ist Kurs vor halb 10.
Richtig, es Kurs for halb 10. Sehr gut. Okay, then Ashwin, nochmals 8:40. Okay, you tell me 8:40 unofficially. 8:40 p.m. unofficially.
20 für 9.
20 vor 9. Okay, very good. 20 vor 9. Okay, Revati, 10:25 unofficially, please.
For half 11.
Yeah, Kurs for halb 11 oder Fune for halb 11. Okay, Samriddhi, 3:30 unofficially.
Half dry.
Samriddhi, when I was making you clear, that is, how do we say 3:30, 4:30? Were you there in the class?
No.
Yeah, that's why you are making a mistake here. Remember, whenever we say this is a different thing in German and English, we call it 3:30 past 3. That means 3:30 minutes have passed 3. Germans, they call it 30 minutes to, like if it is 3:30, so they would not call it half dry. They would call it half fear. Why half fear? Because they want to say that it is 30 minutes to 4. 30 minutes to 4. So always if it is 3:30, they would call it half fear. If it is 4:30, they would call it half fumes. So this is, you need to remember. When you see the recording, you will get it more clearly. So if it is 2:30, do not say half why. say halb dry. That means 30 minutes to, मतलब 30 minutes बाकी है 3 बजने में. That is 2:30.
Okay.
Okay, Samriddhi? Yeah. So, okay, again, I'll give you one thing. How do we say 10:30? Unofficially.
Halb 11.
Halb 11. Very good. Yeah, so this is Rishtish on Clar. Great. The rest of it we'll do from the book. This is out. This is okay here. So, let's see. Yahan tak to I think you have understood it well. So, not a problem here. We will do from the book. So, bitte, Jofnen Sie Seite Nummer 56. That is 56. Kursbuch. Seite Nummer 56. That is 56. Kursbuch. That's that noise. Yeah. So, we will see from here. And what we will see, so this is what we're going to do in here. This is Akse. This is 56. Yeah, so this is your chapter. Wie spät ist es? Die Uhrzeiten. Hören Sie die Gespräche und ordnen Sie die Bilder zu. So you will be listening to 4 conversations and you have to listen to the conversation. You have to arrange it with the builder. You have to arrange it with the picture. 1 conversation goes with which picture, then 2, then 3, then 4. So let's do it. I'll play the audio. Netzwerk neu. Ich brauche das nicht. Audio. Ein Moment. Yeah. What do we see? How do we find it? It's again a lost cause. A spectre 999. Instance 9. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this is the 68 bis. So here it is. I shall share the audio and then you can. Yeah, 68. Yeah, here it is. So listen to it properly and arrange it with the picture.
1.
Julian, aufstehen. Aufstehen. Julian,
Aufstehen?
aufstehen.
Oh nee, wie spät ist es denn?
6:30.
Na gut, ich komme gleich.
Yeah, so the first one is already has been done for you. That is picture number say. So could you guess what the person was telling aufstehen? So what do you think aufstehen can be? He was trying to, yeah, he was trying to wake his son up. So aufstehen means to wake up. And what was the timing that he mentioned?
Halb sieben.
Halb 7. Very good. That is 6:30. Very good. Then let's see. One was done as an example. So let's do it from 69.
2.
Sag mal, wie spät ist es denn? Wir haben doch um 3:30 den Termin mit dem Chef.
Kein Stress. Es ist jetzt erst 1:55. Wir haben noch genug Zeit.
Ah, okay, das ist gut.
Nummer 3.
3.
Wann beginnt denn das Seminar?
Um 8:45. Wie spät ist es denn jetzt?
8:50.
Was? Oh Gott, jetzt aber schnell.
And then the letzte.
4.
Wo bleibt Moritz nur? Es ist schon 7:20.
Ich weiß auch nicht, wo er ist. Wann beginnt denn der Film?
In 5 Minuten.
Ach, sieh mal, da kommt er ja.
Entschuldigt bitte, aber
Ja, entschuldigt ich bitte, aber. So, Nummer 2, welches Bild, Sana? So, 2 Nummer hier.
That is picture of day.
Okay, sehr gut. Für hier Nummer 3, Samriddhi, welches Bild? Okay. Yeah. Revati, you tell me for second number here in which picture?
Second.
B.
Phone.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Rishtish. And then for Ashwin, third number Drita here.
I don't have a textbook. Third. 740. 20
Swansish for act. Yeah, okay, Rishtish. Now, do you have numbers given here for Fune Force Y? Fune Force Y. So what time it is? Fune Force Y? 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. Yeah, 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. So this is picture number D. Halb 7, that is picture number C. 20 for Acht, that is picture number A. And 10 nach 9, that is 10 after 9, 10 minutes after 9, that is picture number B. Ja, sehr gut. Jetzt wir machen the next theorem, which is official. Oversight official. So you need to listen to all the timings that they would tell in officially. And you have to note down what time they are talking.